So, once again, you're welcome. No, ma'am. Very soon, company will come and join you. Oh, welcome. Oh, wow. Jimmy, what have you done? Gambling, you poured water on your own suitor?
Will you get out of this place? I have warned you not to come to this compound again. Didn't I warn you? Mama, I have told you, Papa, that I don't want to get married to anybody in this life. I will do worse to anybody that comes to this compound to ask for my hand in marriage. You've not seen anything, no. You have not seen anything yet. Nonsense.
Nna. Hey!
Papa. What kind of daughter are you? How can you do such a thing to that young man? Somebody who has come with genuine intention to ask for your hand in marriage.
She even poured the water on me.
Papa, I've told you people that I don't want to get married in this life. I want to be a reverend sister. I told you already.
Reverend sister, in this house is a lie. In fact, you are trying your hand on kidology these days. It won't work.
You're playing with fire. You see, one of these men that are flocking around you, one of them you must marry, whether you like it or not.
Mama, stop all this. Is marriage by force? Yes. Is it by force?
Yes.
Nkemdelim is by force. So.
Hey.
He is by force, whether you like it or not. You must marry that young man. That's the only way you can assuage his anger.
Simple.
Papa, see, you can push Sonto to marry him. That is okay. After all, Sonto is no longer a child.
Push Sonto. Push Sonto. Did you look at her chest? Is it as robust as your own?
No.
You think we are playing with you? Okay? Do not say we do not warn you. Because very soon, I will do the unthinkable.
And besides, the last thing I will do is to bring out the little money I have to sponsor her in any seminary school.
Okay.
And then come to think of it, one of those men who have come to ask for her hand in marriage has promised to train her up to university level. Look, you will marry them. You will marry them.
Papa, see, I've said my own. I will not get married to anybody in this life. I've told you.
Oh. Hey! You are sighing at me?
Okay.
She has just sighed at me.
Okay,
the father. Okay.
That she has learned to sigh.
From now, henceforth, I must bring to bear the fate of my pater's familiars, starting from you.
I must be a reverend sister. Talk and do. I know send I must be a reverend sister. Talk and do. I know send come rain the come sunshine. I must be a reverend sister.
Welcome,
How
sister.
you doing? You're sewing.
Yes, sister.
Okay. Have you done the front side?
No, it's really yet.
Okay.
Hey, sister. Ekene was here some hours ago. He said, when you went to church, he came over.
Wait, what did he come to do?
He came to look for you now. what else if not to discuss with you concerning the bride price and introduction?
So and so. So and so.
Sister.
How many times did I call you? The next time he comes to this house again, tell him to wait for me. He will have it hot with me. Nonsense. Let him try it again. Rubbish.
You don't want to marry all these men that are coming for you. Eh? Time waits for nobody. Wow. This is my sister. Eh?
Chitomsi, my parents cannot force me to marry any suitor against my wish. They will never try that.
And you know my uncle will not sponsor you to the sister school. So how do you plan to achieve that?
That is not a problem. Once you're determined to be a reverend sister, the reverend fathers and sisters, they will support you. All you need is your parents' support. That is all.
And you know they will not support you on that.
Then I will force it. Ha! Why are you touching me?
I want to know if you have malaria now. Because I don't understand.
Come back now.
My decision is final. I must achieve my desire. This is all I want. I must be a reverend sister. I'm getting married. Hi.
Where are you going?
Hey, you! Stop them, Kemdelen! Where do you think you are going, Kemdelen?
Papa, you people should leave me alone. I'm going to the church. I have prayer by 4 p.m.
It's a lie! You are not leaving this house today. You must stay here until Ekene comes here.
Yes. Nkemdelemo. Your father is right. The young man cannot lock up his shop honorably to come and see you. And off to church you go. And he wouldn't see you.
Mama,
Stay here and see him.
Mba, well, you people invited him, so you people attend to him.
Come
not
and see
me.
you now.
Sister, listen to Mama and Papa now. They want the best for you, sister. Don't go against their wish.
No.
They want
me to do things in their own way. No.
Hey.
I'm
Is
going to
marriage
church
a bad
and there is
thing?
nothing you people can do about
Hey.
it.
Is marriage a bad thing?
Okay. Okay. If you like, you can run to Czechoslovakia or Jamaica. You will return back here to meet us. Nonsense.
But you were standing there with her. Can't go to Czechoslovakia. Body present, absent-minded.
What are you saying? You want me to grip her so that she draw me down? And then you will be chuckling inside you. You will be the first to go and tell our kinsmen that your husband is suffering from epilepsy.
Body present. You can stay here.
You spiritual present. It won't work for you.
Sunshine. I must be a reverend sister. Kemdele is in love with God. Let her be.
Greetings, Nkem. I was actually on my way to your house. Didn't your parents inform you that I'll be coming?
Wait, you informed my parents as if you're coming to get married to them.
I called your number, but you weren't picking.
Ekene, give me one reason why I should pick your call. See, Ekene, avoid me, oh. Biko, did you hear me? Avoid me. I have told you that I don't want to settle down with any man. Didn't I tell you?
Nkendelem, if any man has broken your heart, doesn't mean that all men are the same. I am a different man.
Ekene, Biko, keep your sermon to yourself. I am going to church. When I get there, I will listen. Please. And another thing, avoid me. Did you hear me? Avoid me, oh. Biko, avoid me. I don't even want to say it again.
Nkendelem, come. We have a lot to discuss. Nkem? Nkendelem? Nkem? Nkendelem?
Talk and do. I know send for you. I must be I must be a reverend sister. Talk and do. I know send for you. Come rain, come sunshine. I must be a reverend sister. My decision is final. Must be
Ah, Sister Kendall, what happened? You came late.
My parents delayed me. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, no problem.
Is the prayer over?
No, it's still on. The preacher forgot her rose at home, so I'm rushing out to get it for her.
Okay, let me join them.
It's okay.
See you. Thank you.
Chisom,
Mama.
I am tired of talking to Nkendelim about this marriage issue. I don't know how else to say it. That is why I invited you here, so that you can advise her right.
Mama, I've tried talking to her, but she wouldn't listen to me. She insisted that she doesn't want any man in her life. She doesn't want to get married.
Hey! My first daughter. How can my first fruit, the child that opened my womb, take such a deadly decision?
Mama, it's because she believes that Sonto will replace her.
No. Sonto will not replace her. She is my first child. The child that opened my womb. She should get married. If it was Sonto that is making this demand, I wouldn't have minded. I would have allowed her with all my heart. After all, what portion does she have here? She's a second child.
Okay, Mama, it's okay. I'll talk to her. I just pray she listens to me.
Just drum it into her ear.
I will.
Tell her importance of her as the first child getting married.
It's okay, Mama, I will.
Aye.
It's okay, be happy now. I will.
Sister Kendall, you came to church late today. Why?
Sister Perpetua, my parents never wanted me to come to church today.
But why? Why would they do that? Are they not aware that this is the work of the Lord? Why are they preventing you from serving the Lord?
My dear, according to them, they said I have to get married. That there is no first daughter of the family that will become a reverend sister. That I have to get married.
Wait, what kind of tradition and belief is that?
I don't know. I just have to disobey them. I have to break the law because this is my dream. I want to become a reverend sister.
But Sister Kendall, to be honest with you, you know that you need your parents' support to achieve this goal. You need their blessings to achieve it.
Sisters, all we can do for her is to hope and pray for God's intervention.
Yes, we need to put her in our prayers.
Thank you so much.
It is well with you.
Okay. Thank you, sister.
We'll see you.
Bye. Bye.
My mind is made up, no going back. Come Fenty, here I come. I must be my mind is made up.
Papa,
Yes?
are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out. My brother Eloka sent for me.
Hope there's no problem.
I don't know yet, but let me get there.
But Papa, I'm done cooking. Your food is ready.
I cannot eat now. Keep the food for me. When I'm back, I'll eat. Oh?
Yeah.
I'll be back now.
Okay now. Papa, take care of yourself. Oh.
All right. My brother Eloka, you mean Nkendelim has been rejecting all the suitors coming for her hand in marriage?
Iked, about 4 men have come here to ask for Nkendelim's hand in marriage, but she rejected all of them.
Let me ask you, does she have any reason for doing that?
She says she wants to be a reverend sister.
Reverend sister? Here? Is it not still the same reverend sister that she has been criticizing all along? And then suddenly she wants to become one?
My brother, that is the reason why I have invited you to come and talk with her over this matter.
My brother, don't worry. I will talk to her. I will speak sense into her head. If possible, we would hold a family meeting and discuss further on this.
Good, good. I trust what you can do.
I will.
Thank you. I'll be grateful if you do.
My mind is made up, no going back. Come Fenty, here I come. I must be a reverend.
Okay. Do you want to remain single for the rest of your life? Why rejecting all the suitors that has come to ask for your hand in marriage?
Uncle, I told them I want to remain single, but they are forcing me to
Listen
get
to me.
married.
You want to remain single? Look at your mouth. You are the first daughter of this family. Therefore, you must be married. No first daughter of this family becomes a reverend sister.
Oh, tell her. I have been telling her she won't hear. Maybe something is wrong with her timpani. Her eardrum, I say.
Oh, okay.
Papa, if this is a norm in this family, I will break it. What is this?
Did you hear her? Did you hear this wicked girl? She has decided to rub mud on my face.
It won't happen.
So that this entire village will have the opportunity to laugh at me. It will not work. That's your evil plan, Omangaroge. Ajonwa.
Sister, this family is held together because of you.
Oh.
Why not listen to us?
Sister, don't wait for no one. Hey, please, don't do something that you regret tomorrow, sister. Hey, sister.
I will not regret anything.
Hey.
The missionary has agreed to sponsor my sister's school, so I will not regret anything. I've said I want to be a reverend sister. Fine.
Nkem, come back here. How dare you walk out on us? Come back here.
You see,
You have seen her.
I told you that the girl has gone loco.
Is this girl alright?
My mind is made up, no going back. Come here I come. I must be.
Okay. You are my daughter. And my niece is also my daughter. You see, Anuka's family is a very good family. Therefore, Ekene will make a good husband.
Uncle, it's not about getting married to a good husband. It's just that I don't even want to get married at all.
Will you listen to me? You are being stubborn over this issue. What is it? Eloka, my brother that I know, will never allow you to become a reverend sister under his roof. You know this very well. And see, I sit here to advise you to take a decision now. And not like every first daughter of Umu Amechi kindred will get married and their mother will come for child visitation.
Papa, sister, Papa is right. Do you remember when Adugo wanted to become a reverend sister? The parents refused. Even the villagers were against it. You know this your plan will not work.
Please tell her.
It will not work, sister.
So, you people want me to give up my Christian faith and get married to a man that will still cheat on me?
Nobody will cheat on you.
Why are you thinking like this?
No man will cheat on you. I don't know where you get this orientation from. All men are not the same. The Ekene family that I know is a very good family. And he will take good care of you. Think this over.
Sister, listen to Papa.
What's all this? You had better talk to your sister.
Good day, Papa.
Okay, my son. How are you?
I'm fine.
Have a seat. I hope all is well.
Yeah, how is it? Papa, is it Kendra at home?
I don't, my son. Nkemdelem went to church.
Okay. Papa, concerning the introduction, my people are so worried.
Well, Ekene, there's nothing I can do for now until Nkemdelem gives me the desired response. Even as it is now, all the efforts I've been making to convince her, all of them hit the rock. So for now, my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do.
Anyway, Papa, I have heard you. I will keep trying. Maybe someday she might change her mind.
It's all right. I hope so too.
I'll be on my way.
Please do. My regards to your people.
Thank you.
Listen, Ekene, you know you're my very good friend. and I cannot deceive you, nor talk you into something that you don't like. But please, I want you to take this as an advice from a very good friend. I will advise you to leave that girl in Kemdelim and marry another. After all, there are a lot of beautiful girls in this village.
You may be right, Ndebes. There are a lot of beautiful girls in this village. But the scene Kendelem, I love that girl so much. I will tell you, she's my heartbeat.
Love, Ke. Love, you said. But does she really love you back?
My guy, if you know ladies, you know that Kendelem is pretending. She's actually pretending. See, I will go extra mile to have her as my wife. Bet it.
Pretend, you see. You see, a girl like Nkemdelim cannot pretend. A girl like Nkemdelim cannot hide herself. You see that attitude she showed you? That is exactly who she is. My friend, Nkemdelim does not love you. So get that into your thick skull.
Guys, stop telling me this thing. Why are you talking like this? I told you time without numbers that this girl is where I belong. In totality. Why are you trying to tell me, guy, don't get me upset. Or I don't really like what you're telling me. See, Kendall, I must do everything possible to have her as my wife.
So, you mean to tell me you want to follow your heart?
I have said this severally to you. I am following my heart. And that is fine.
My friend, you see that your heart will carry you to somewhere you don't know. I mean, where are you going? Where are you living?
I must marry her, whether she like her or not. Can't believe her. You're my spec. I must marry her, whether she like her or not. Can't believe her. You're my spec. I must marry her, whether she like her or not. Can't believe her. You're my spec. I must marry her, whether she like her or not.
Brother, I noticed your mood since you came back. You're not happy at all. Getting home.
There's this girl that I saw whilst coming back to the village. And I have developed these feelings for her. I don't know if I should say that I love her or what, but the girl is giving me very serious tough times.
Really? Who is this girl?
Well, her name is Nkemdelim from Umameti village, the neighboring village.
Nkemdelim. How is this girl like? Oh, God.
Well, she's tall, she's elegant, very beautiful. This girl is a paragon of beauty.
I might know this girl.
Her sister says that she's never at home, she's always in church. She comes back by 5 p.m. and she told her parents that she wants to be a reverend sister, which her parents are very against of it, and she is very insistent.
Leave that one. I will speak to her on your behalf. Thank you, Reverend Sister. I will speak to her, Biko. Reverend Sister. That small village. I will speak to her.
Are you sure?
Ha! It's me, Amara. I will speak to her.
Naya, if you do this, one phone.
Guinea! Hey!
One phone.
I'm going to be a Leave it for me. I will handle it.
Sorry, when will the final result come?
Calm down, Okwano. Calm down.
Go and give me the food now. Go and give me.
It's not a phone.
Go and give me the food now.
It's not a phone.
One phone of your choice.
Forget it.
Ezrum kebe.
I know. I'll go on. I'm okay.
Now I have appetite.
Don't worry.
Olomma,
No.
I'm afraid that in Kemdelim, your daughter is really mad. She's going mad. So you better take her to a psychiatrist hospital to check whether she's okay.
Is she not your daughter as well? So Nkem Kobuzi. Imano Nwademma is for the father. Odinjo oh Mwage Imabunwa is your child. Has it come to that?
You are laughing. And it's not a funny matter. Look, I know that she's also my daughter.
Okay.
But it is more naturally incumbent on you to sit her down and talk sense into her battered brain.
Nai, you are sounding as if I've not been talking to her. I have been talking to her, making trouble with her, advising and counter-advising. But you know our daughter. Once her mind is made up on something, that one is what she will do.
Then not in marriage. An occasion where my friends, my acquaintances, and my kinsmen will gather in my compound and drink palm wine and rejoice with the unseen presence of my ancestors. That she will come and exhibit her stubbornness? Never.
Nai, don't sound like a broken record. You and I have been talking. We have been doing it collectively. I have been doing it on my own. You're talking about not having drink with your ancestors and your friends. How about me? How about the Omugwo? How I've planned to go for the Omugwo and enjoy every benefit that is accrued to it. But my daughter wants to deny me of that. Omugwo, I will go. So don't give up. I am not giving up. Let's keep talking until we achieve our aim.
Then if she is adamant of all this advice and encouragement, let her get ready to the drum music that I will beat for her. As for me, I will not be alive and watch her take to that, what do you call it? That reverend sister of her thing. Never!
Chisom, I want you to help me to talk to Nkendelim. I love her so much. I don't know why she keeps turning me down.
But Ekene, you know she listens to nobody. We tried talking to her, but she said she wants to become a reverend sister now.
She's not yet a reverend sister. She's not even in the convent. I don't know why she refused to marry.
Ekene, you are the 5th person that has come for her hand in marriage. She refused all. What makes you think she will listen to me?
Listen, Chisom. You both are very close. Keep trying.
Okay, I'll try my best.
She might change her mind.
I will try my best.
See, I will reward you handsomely if you can convince her to get married to me.
You reward me?
Yes.
No problem. What's about the law? How much will you give me for that?
Chisom, You and money, you like money so much.
Is it not money I used to talk to her? Chap, chap, I will go and do it now. If you give me money today, I will start doing it.
Don't worry. Wait, let me give you.
One name. This will not be enough now to talk to that beautiful girl. I bring all the money now. You don't want to chap chap again?
Listen, Chisum.
If you don't want to take your money, take your money. You want a beautiful girl, you don't want to spend money.
Chisum, this is my last card. See, I'm trusting on you.
Bring it, I will do it for you. Bring a bit.
Are you sure?
And that you are talking. Hey, don't worry. Hey, you're already my in-law. Hey.
Anyway.
Agam.
I trust you anyway.
You know you are talking. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I will do it. Be rest assured. Agam. Hey, don't worry. Mugu. Got him. I want to marry my fine sister. Sister does not even have time for man. This money I'll use now and flex in Mama Obina's shop.
Please, sir, I came on behalf of Nkendere to plead with you. Please allow her become the reverend sister she wants to be. Maybe this is where God is calling her. To serve.
To serve who? Mbano, Nkendere is my first daughter. And she must get married. To serve who? Has she finished serving me? Or serve Usigom?
Ma, there is nothing bad serving God. God is working in a mysterious way. There is something God wants to do in this family through Nkendere. Please, allow her to serve God. Let the name of the Lord be praised in this family.
Sister, I've heard you. But I'm not the only one you have to tell this. My younger brother has to hear what you are telling us. Okay. Then you equally hear what he will say about it.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I will send my second daughter to go and call him. Somto! Somto!
Yes, Papa.
Come here.
Papa, you called me.
Go to my younger brother's house.
Okay.
Tell him that I want to see him right now.
Okay,
that he should come immediately. It is very, very urgent. Where possible, let him come with a chisum immediately.
Okay, Papa, let me
go. Sister, you will have to exercise a little patience. My younger brother's house is not far from here. In fact, it's very close.
My mind is made up, no going back. Government, here I come. I must be a reverend sister. My mind is made up, no going back. My mind is made up. I must be a reverend sister. Talk and do. I know send I must be I must be a reverend sister. Talk and do. I know send
Papa, good morning, sir.
So, this one that you are here so early, is anything the problem?
Is my brother, your father, all right?
All is well, oh, but he asked me to call you, Papa.
Did anything happen?
There's a reverend sister in our house, so my father said that I should come and call you.
All right.
Please, let's go.
Let's go. Sister, I mean no disrespect, but the truth of the matter is this. No first daughter of this family becomes a reverend sister. They all get married.
But it can be changed. Everybody must not do the same thing.
Mbano, it's not done like that. And our daughter will not be the one to break the history of this family. So you should know.
Sister, I understand that you have come to visit us today. at the behest of our daughter, Nkem, perhaps to convince us. But go back to the convent and tell her to come back here immediately. Because if at the end of today, and she doesn't come here, she will cease to be my daughter.
Simple. What nonsense is this? What is this? My own daughter left my house for the past 2 days and has refused to come back. Like you're white. Are you not a woman? Don't you feel like a woman? Come on, let's go to the wine. Tell her to come back here. Maybe she thinks I'll be happy.
Don't worry.
I'm going to elope within the missionary.
Don't worry.
Mama, wait a minute though. You mean sister left this house for the past 2 days and didn't bother to come back?
Of course!
Hey, Holani.
Don't tell her I shouldn't meet her at that convent. If I do, her eyes will clear.
This is serious. It's okay. I've heard you all. I'll be on my way. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
I'm also with you.
Oh my God.
You're welcome.
You all will bear me witness that I have given Nkem the opportunity to change her ways. But if at the end of today, I do not see her here, I will disown her.
Simple.
Papa, it hasn't got
Brother, you have
calm
It has gotten to that.
Calm down. Don't
now,
worry.
come here and see more or I make sure no.
Mama, I'll go to the convent and bring her back myself.
You have not brought her since 2 days. Now, go through.
Sunshine, I must be a reverend sister. Nkem is in love with God. Let her be. What you want is not what she wants. Nkem get married. What you do? Hi.
Your hair. Yeah. From the look of things, I think you have to return home immediately. What I saw today, your family members are very angry with you.
Sister, that means they didn't accept.
They didn't. They even shouted at me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay, no problem. You can go home now. You can come to church for church activities and prayers from time to time until everything is settled.
It's okay, sister. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Okay, sister.
My mind is made of no going back. Convent, here I come. I must be a reverend sister.
Sister, how did it go? Did her parents accept?
No, they refused. Despite all the efforts I put, they refused.
I knew it. I know they will not accept.
But for me, I would suggest we should give up and marry. I think it is easy, as you said, when she is determined to serve God.
But that is the best idea. Because the parents are not in support of her.
It's really heartbroken. She has decided to choose her path. I think let's keep praying for her.
Okay? We will not give up.
With God, all things are possible.
In the name of God the Father, and of the Son.
Every man she choice, I must marry her, whether she like her or not. You're my spec. I must marry her.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please, the receipt.
Thank you.
I can't remember having set my eyes on this face before. Please, who are you and who are you looking for?
My name is Dubem. I'm from the neighboring village.
Really?
Yeah, I came to see Nkem. Is she at home?
Oh, Nkem, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
I hope she has not committed any crime.
Oh, no. Actually, I saw your daughter and she appealed to me. I just wanted to know her more, and that's why I decided to come and check if she's home. There's no problem at all.
I see. She's not at home for now. My daughter is the type that is addicted to this choir practice.
Oh.
And she's in the church.
Okay, no problems then. In that case, I should be on my way now. If she comes back, please kindly let her know that Dubem came to visit.
Dubem.
Yes, Daddy.
Chuku Dubem.
Yes,
What
sir.
a nice name.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure meeting you, sir.
No, the pleasure is mine.
And I must confess, you are very, very an interesting fellow. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm blushing.
Thank you very much. I should be on my way now.
Please take care.
All right, Daddy.
My regards to your paper.
All right.
Bye. Another suitor on the way. And in Kemdele, my daughter has been rejecting men like dog rejecting frog meat. Eh? And he looks like a nice guy. Eh? If Kemdele reject this one, this will be the last straw that breaks the camel's back in this house with regard to her marriage.
Every nice to choice, I must marry her, whether she like him or not. You're my spec.
How are you? Sorry that I had to stop you on the way. I went to your house. Your father told me that you went to the church and I didn't want to come to church. I decided to wait here knowing that you're going to pass here as you're coming back.
What is that your name again?
My name is Dubem.
Okay.
Chuku Dubem.
Dubem.
Yes.
Dubem. Yes. Please, can you let me be?
I can't. I cannot let you be. Not only that I fell in love with you from the first day I set my eyes on you, but you are the kind of woman that I want in my life.
Dubem, please, can you just avoid me? Please, let me be.
Calm down, you're shouting.
Why would I shout? Why would I shout when you don't have ears to hear?
What is it? What is it? Sister, why are you shouting?
Ask this man that want to spoil my mood this evening. What is wrong with you? Why are you stopping me everywhere I go to? What is wrong with you?
Sorry for my sister's behavior. She's not always like this.
You are her sister?
Yes, I'm her cousin's sister.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to go now. Sister, wait for me.
I must marry her, whether she like him or not. You're my spec. I must marry her, whether she like him or not.
Hello.
You're my spec.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, good day.
Good day.
Locate my house.
I know you are very surprised seeing me at your place.
Yes.
After we met yesterday, and you said that you are Inkem's cousin,
I had to trace you to find out where your house is. You know, when you gave me that information, I wanted to know you more. That's why I'm here.
So?
I found out that Nkem, your sister cousin, is a very strong-willed, principled individual and very, very attached strongly to her Christian faith.
Yeah, you're right. Your assumption is right. But there's a lot you do not know about my sister. Yes.
Okay, can we just sit and talk about it? At least we're friends now, right?
Okay. Sit.
Okay, thank you.
If actually your purpose for my sister is to get married to her, I'm afraid it's not going to be possible because she won't accept it.
Why?
You are the sixth person in her life and she has rejected all the suitors. As I'm talking to you right now, there's this young man in this village. I want to get married to her too.
Sorry, do you know the reason she's been rejecting all these men?
It's simple. She wants to become a reverend sister. She doesn't want to get married at all.
Wow. This is very interesting. So I am beginning to place this thing together. That's why she's always in the church.
Yes.
Do you know what? She told me this. I never believed her, or I didn't want to believe her.
Okay.
Wow.
So now you know her reasons. I want to ask you a question. Will you fight for the love of your life or you want to just let it go?
What a fantastic question. My answer is I am going to fight for love. And definitely I will win her heart for my soul.
That's nice. Any man that wins her heart is the real husband.
But what I want you to do for me, I want you to talk to her, sister to sister, girl to girl. Help me convince her. Let her know that I am not a bad person. I am a man that is searching for love and I have found love in her. I will treat her like the angel that she is. Please.
That's nice. Don't worry. I'll do just that.
You know, you're my partner.
No problem. I'll do just that.
Okay.
See, Chisu, if it's about this guy that you came to my house today, let's talk about something else, please.
Sister, calm down. See, this guy is very rich. Not only rich, he's cute. And he's a very nice guy.
Oh,
yeah.
So because he's rich, he's now a nice guy.
Not that. I'm not talking about Ekene or Felix, so. Dubem is different. Like, I've had conversations with him. That guy is different.
Chisu, I am not ready to get married to anybody. This heart is blocked for love for now. Did you hear me?
Tell me, why do you hate men so much? Because ever since we've grown up to this age, you've not been in any relationship.
Chisum, try I understand. I don't hate men. You already know I want to be a reverend sister. Why are you saying all this?
And if your parents do not support you, how do you think you will achieve that?
See, it is very, very possible. By the time they try every means to force me to get married, and it's not possible, they will give up.
Sister, I will not deceive you. I would not deceive you. Let me give you an advice. Accept one of these men and move on. See, Dube is ready to sponsor you to the university. If only you say yes to him. Yes!
Hey, clap for yourself. So, can we talk about something else?
No, let's talk about Dubem.
Hey, Chiso. So, what you went for, how did it go? Tell me.
It went well.
You have so many things to talk about, not this one now.
Every man's a choice, I must marry her, whether she like him or not. You're my spec. I must marry her, whether she like I'm on you're my spec. I must marry her.
Jibin, I was on my way to your house. Thank God I met you here. I want to beg you with anything you believe in. Stop bringing gifts to my parents. I am begging you. Why are you laughing?
You're very funny now. So what are you going to do if I do not stop bringing gifts to your parents?
You just have to stop because I am not in any relationship with you. I am not your fiancé, so stop it.
That is because you have refused to be my fiancé. You rejected my proposal. So is it my fault? Everything is in your hands. Accept my proposal and we are happy.
Dubem, I am warning you for the last time. Stop coming to my house. Stop it. Anything I see you bring to my house again, I will destroy it.
Do you know you're
Try
beautiful?
me.
Do you know you're beautiful? Wow. Hey! Can you imagine the creation of God? Hey! I have seen a woman. I have seen a woman. My God.
Why are you staring at me like that? What is the problem?
Ogbanje. Ogbanje.
Me?
I know you have possessed something. That's why they keep chasing after you like flies. Keep coming for your hand in marriage. Look at you. And they can't even take their eyes off you. Even my friend Ekene. But you see somebody like me, you can never possess me.
Are you mad? Are you a fool? So if they call men that want to marry me, you will come out. You that look like a goat. Who wants to marry you? Look at this bastard.
Gamdilin, you slapped me.
And I will give you more.
You have the guts to slap me. There's going to be a serious problem in this village.
Nothing. There is nothing like problem. Nothing. I will give you more if you say any other word. Rubbish. Poverty runs in your family. Look at your sisters. Are they married? Is anybody coming for their hands in marriage? People are coming for me because I'm beautiful. I am not on Ogbanji, let me tell you. Useless man. Fool.
What in this village?
Nothing! No one! That's where...
You started so urgent on phone. What happened?
Ekene, if you see the kind of insult that foolish girl gave me today, you will not think of marrying her again.
Wait. I hope it's not in Kendelem. We are calling names. Guy, you better stop it. Anyway, I'm just coming from the house. I want you to continue so that she get married to me. You know? But I don't know why. You started the insult now. How can you insult my woman?
I see she has told you everything now. And you are in support of her. Okuya, you are in support of her.
Guy, why would I support her? We are wrong. How can you see somebody on the road, start calling her Mama? Is it how you do?
Is she not? Is she not an Ogbanje? I see she has possessed you now. That's why you keep following her like a fly.
See, we have been friends for ages. You should help me talk to this girl. I get to get married to this girl, not the other way around. Why are you doing this? You stop this fight now. Why are you doing this now? You want this girl now to see me as some nobody in this village. Why are you putting up a fight with her now? Just help me out. Let's talk to this girl. You know I've come a long way about the whole thing. Please, guy, stop this fight. I don't want it. I beg of you.
Mama, there's something I want to tell you. Mama, there's this man that Sister Kendelim came back with. Mama, this man is very rich. Mama, this man is well-to-do. Sister should accept this one, oh, Mama.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
When was that?
2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
And you're just telling me? Why didn't you tell me all this while?
Mama, you know Sister now. You know Sister. She even barked at him like a dog.
Kendelema. This girl will not disgrace me in this community. She will not disgrace me. Anyway, I know what to do. Don't worry yourself. I know what to do.
Mama, you better do. You better do. Before things will get worse too. Sister must marry. Sister must marry. Now, Mama. First daughter for that matter. That's the one I was telling you about. I want to marry Sister Kendelim.
Are you serious?
Mama,
welcome,
sir. How are you?
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mama.
Somto told me about you, and I'm happy to finally meet you today.
Mama, the pleasure is all mine to see you.
You're welcome. Come and sit. Let me call my home.
Thank you. Okay.
My son, Nkem is my daughter. But as a result of zeitgeist, that spirit of the time, coupled with the fact that she believes that she's not an adult, we cannot make decisions for her.
Papa, that might not be totally true. That because she's an adult or she has come of age. But with my experience or experiences concerning women, most women do not accept a man they are not close to immediately. They always play their pranks. Mama, I mean, you're a woman.
My son, in Kendelim's case is different. She has virtually rejected all the men that have come to ask for her hand in marriage in this house.
Then there might be something that she's not telling you people. There might be something that is wrong. I will try to persuade her to tell me, or if she can open up to me, let me know, because there must be something behind it that she's not letting anybody to know, or she does not even know.
But please do, my son. I'll be very, very glad if you will find out what that problem is. Please.
I'll try. I should be on my way now. Let me see if I don't have much money here, but hold this. Papa, take this for your drink. Mama, people should just use this for your pure water. Please.
All of this for us?
Yes.
This one alone is for pure water.
Yes.
This is more than enough. What for pure water now?
What baby is aqua?
Okay.
Old people with adage and proverbs. Papa, it's my pleasure seeing you guys again.
No, the pleasure is ours.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you so much.
My name is Amara. I'm Dubem's sister.
I know.
Hey, really? You know me?
Yes, this village is not that big, so I know other people from other kindred. Yes.
I'm glad to hear that though. I stop in respect of your sister Kenny. I know she does not love my brother, but my brother loves her so much. So please, help me and talk to her on his behalf. Bikono.
Mara, for my sister, she doesn't want to listen to me either. But meanwhile, your brother is a nice person. I will make sure she gets married to him.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not promising you anything. I will try my best. Yes.
Thank you. I appreciate it. No, thank you. Let me be on my way, yeah?
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Nkemdelem,
Papa.
as your father, I am reiterating that you must marry that man. You have been rejecting suitors after suitors, but you see that Dubem, he is going to be the last bus stop.
Papa, which final bus stop, Papa? Did he tell you he wants to marry me?
Of course. That is his intention. That is what I was doing when I married your mother. You are looking at me like that. Is it not true?
What intention, Papa? Do you know men like Dubem are very cunning? You don't even know him, Papa.
No, tell me how. You have not given him attention. You have not even sat down to talk to him. How will you conclude his cunning? We forgive my mama. He ain't actually got fear.
Even if you shout from now to tomorrow, I will not change my mind.
Sister, you have to change your mind though. You have to change your mind. Because these missionary people, they will make you look useless. You have to change your mind. They will make you look useless.
Are you crazy? How dare you speak about the man of God like that?
Man of God, okay. Sister, leave me alone, though. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go and sit down there. Touch her. Touch my daughter. No, kill her. Isn't that the truth?
You want them to useless your life.
Which missionary? These people that cannot add anything to our family. They even want to take away from us.
Mama, you better warn your daughter. She try it next time. I will finish. I'll beat her out.
Touch her. She's close to you. Touch her.
Story.
You say story.
Sister, leave me alone. I don't want the best for you too.
You are not even afraid of me when I am present. You are not afraid of my presence.
Sit
Papa,
here.
sorry.
You better say it for yourself. Listen to me. You better say yes to Dubem. Let him come and pay your bride price and stop wasting time. Oh,
Now, Toike, you will marry.
you are walking out on me again.
Also, Toike from that eternity Ganuti.
Well, I know you are possessed, but I'll make sure that I will exorcise that very spirit, evil spirit from your brain. Nonsense. Every day the same topic. Every day the same child. You are not ashamed. If you cannot free yourself, they themselves they can't leave you. Don't worry. I know what to do.
Nkem, how many times did I call you? 3 good times. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why? I have told you there is no problem without a solution, except death.
Sister Rosemary, do you think my own problem has a solution at all?
It doesn't have. Why not? Why are you sounding like an unbeliever all of a sudden? Where is your faith? Remember, the Bible said in the book of Psalm 125 verse 1 that those that trust in the Lord are like Mount Zion. They shall not be moved.
Yes,
don't you believe in God Almighty anymore?
I believe in God. But sister, my parents are very strict. They like you standing on their own decision. They are very strict.
Okay, I understand. Now listen to me. If it's the will of God that you will be a reverend sister, fine. But if not, pray and tell God that let his will be done in your life.
Amen.
Let's pray.
Okay.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Chisom,
Papa.
did you see that young fine man that came here? He came still did not give him any attention.
No, Papa. But funny enough, this young man is different from all the suitors that have been coming for her hand in marriage.
You know, sometimes I wonder if that girl is possessed.
Possessed, Papa? No. She's not. She just wants to become a reverend sister. That's all. But Papa, why did you ask?
Because I don't know why a girl at her age of marriage will keep rejecting suitors. Why?
Papa, you know, if it were to be me that all these suitors are coming from, I would have settled for one.
You know you wouldn't dare say no to anyone. Because if you try it, I will push you out of this house.
Papa, you can't be so mean now.
You don't seem to know your father. If you try that with me, I will push you out of this house.
Don't worry, Papa. You see, my love, Obina, is coming next year to pay my bride price.
Call him and tell him to be quick about it too.
Papa,
if he does not, and any man comes in here, I will gladly give you to that man.
Papa.
I've told you, call him now.
You can be so funny. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
I've been waiting. How have you
I was
been?
having a discussion with my father, so
Okay.
I'm alright.
So, how far have you gone in telling Nkendrim about my proposal to her?
Nowhere.
Huh?
Nowhere. Like, she blocked her heart. In fact, she said any man that tries to convince her father to marry her, the man will suffer.
That is just fallacy. Nothing will happen to the person. And if someone like me happens to win her heart, she will love me till the end of time. She won't even know when she will be loving me.
Love. I don't think so. I've not seen that man. Because, in fact, the man is not yet born. But don't worry. I will try my possible best to convince her. Who knows? She might change her mind.
No problems, but I can't just wait, you know? I can't just wait to hold Nkendrim and tell her I love you on that altar, you know? On that altar of saying, yes, I do.
Please wait. Just hold on for her to accept the ring first.
She will. She
let
will.
her accept the ring.
All these ones that are initial gara. Don't be woman. She will. This village, I am here waiting for her. I'm not going to the city. I am here.
I love that spirit. No problem. I have something doing at home. Let me go and finish up.
All right, no problem.
Take care of yourself.
Oh yeah, you too. Thanks, Okay.
And confirm if this girl is okay. She behaves like someone who is possessed.
Iked, you see, I thought of that as well. But the problem is this. Will Nkendrim agree to follow us to any Pentecostal church?
Why are you sounding like that? There is no harm in trying. Let's invite them over. I am assuring you that they will come. This is a very serious issue we have at hand.
Well, if you insist.
Please.
There is one Latin adage which says, Solvitur ambulando.
Hey!
Solvitur ambulando.
Hello,
the matter is solved by practical experience.
Solvitur
ambulando.
Solvitur ambulando.
Please don't bite your tongue. We'll take our time to show that. In the light of what we are discussing,
yes,
I will discuss it with the pastor.
Okay.
And then get his response. And then we take it up.
Fine. We can just...
Because what is happening
is no
quite
married.
preternatural.
Huh?
It's quite extraordinary. It's preternatural. Right?
Hey!
So we will do it that way.
This your grammar. I will take time to come to the house.
Not, well, it wasn't done overnight. I'm not responsible.
I've been telling you this now. Why are you doing this to me? I love you so much. Eh? Just accept it. Just tell me. Say yes to me.
Biko, what is all this now?
Okay, wait. For you to know how much I love you. Huh? Can please. This is from me to you. Just accept this ring.
Ekene, please. Don't kneel down for me, please. I don't like this. Get up.
Don't tell him, please. Accept this ring. Then I'll get up.
Please, I am begging you. Get up.
Why do you keep punishing me like this now?
I am not ready to love any man. My heart is blocked. Take this ring to any girl that will love you and cherish you. That is it. And please, next time, don't stop me on the way and tell me this rubbish. Don't even try it again. See how you're embarrassing me. Rubbish. Foolish man. No, stay there. It's raining, no. Stay there.
You can't tell him.
Very well before you judge on them. If I never like it,
Pastor. How are you?
I'm good, Mr. Luka.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, my dear. Pastor, I was actually going to the church to see you. A good thing that I met you here.
Hope there's no problem.
None at all if it can be effectively handled.
Okay.
You see, it is all about my daughter, Kemdelem, who's a problem for inability to cohabit with the male folk. Has been taken a notch higher. I mean, it has been exacerbated.
Mr. Luka, I want you to calm down on your English so that I can understand what you are saying. Please calm down on your English.
Well, Pastor, with regard to your request, I am not in any way apologetic since I'm not responsible for anybody's analphabetism. All I want, actually, is for you to come and conduct prayer for Kemdelem, my daughter. I don't know what has come over her. She doesn't want to settle for any man, despite all the effort I have made to make her see the anomaly in her line of action.
Mr. Luka, in as much as I'm trying to understand what you are saying, I really think we should go back to the church so that you can explain to me in details what is happening. Okay? Sister Margaret, what do you think?
Exactly, Pastor. What you say is the right thing. Please, sir, let's go back to the church.
Let's go back to the church.
What then is the guarantee that you are going to understand me in the church where you don't understand me here? So you equally pray along that line so that you will understand me there. Nkamdarem. Look, my daughter, I have come to realize that your situation needs prayer. And for that reason, I have engaged a serious and the seasoned man of God with his prayer warriors. And they are here for that purpose. Please, come out for the prayers.
I'm fine. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine.
No, something is wrong with you. You need this prayer, not just prayer, but also deliverance. Please, come out.
No, Papa, no.
Nkem, you lie. You lie, Nkem. Open that door now. Your deliverance is taking place today. And the man of God is here to pray you out.
Look, Nkamdelem, open this door. If you don't open it, I will make sure that I break down this door because something is seriously wrong with you.
Papa, break the door. I don't care. Break the door.
There's no need for that. There's no need for that. We'll come some other time. She doesn't accept Christ today, doesn't mean she won't accept Christ again.
Coming what other time? You are going nowhere. You people will stay here and pray out my daughter. I have seen that something serious is wrong with her. And besides, is this your Bible which says that since the death of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence, and only the violence takes it by force. She needs serious and violent prayer, my man of God.
Like I tell you, Daddy, we'll come some other time, okay? Like you should know, salvation is personal, okay?
So you want to postpone the evil day?
No, we are not postponing the evil day. But the Holy Spirit just told me something, and I want us to adhere to the voice of the Spirit. We'll come some other time, okay? Let us pray. Let us pray, Daddy.
Good day, sir.
Good day, my daughter.
Peace be unto you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, we are here to see your daughter, Nkendele.
I see. Kendele, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
What is that your name again?
I am Sister Perpetua, sir.
Oh, perpetually you will remain a sister.
Thank you, sir.
And you?
Rosemary, sir.
Rosemary.
Yes, sir.
I see. That's a kind of portmanteau name. That's two words brought together this time. Onomastic words.
Thank you, sir.
Pertaining to name.
Thank you, sir.
And what of
Thank you,
you?
sir. I'm Sister Ekutos, sir.
Ha! Ekutos.
Sir.
That's a kind of anglicized Igbo name. It's all right. You want Nkembele?
Yes, sir.
Nkembele you will see in a jiffy.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
Where are you going? Come here. My daughter. If you have chosen to be perpetually a sister, why can't you continue? Oh, so you are the smoking gun I have been looking for with regard to my daughter's behavioral derailment. All right, come back here again another day. I will show you that I underwent some military courses in South Korea before I become a senior advisor to Dr. K.O. Mbadiwe, that's Kingsley Osuomba Mbadiwe, the then ambassador plenipotentiary to President Shehu Shagari. Nonsense.
Sister Mata.
Yes?
Who was that I heard his voice?
Oh, that's Nkem Derim's father. He just left.
What did he say?
My dear, he came to warn us that we should stop his daughter from coming to the convent. Henceforth, what will befall us, we will not like it.
What is really the problem? Why can't they allow that innocent girl to have some peace of mind?
My dear, I think God will do something. Let's keep praying for Nkem Derim and God will help her. It's not really easy.
Sister Mata, you know my dreams do come to pass. Okay. I actually had a dream now where this man was chasing us with a cutlass. I came to tell you, meeting you here now, you're saying that he just left.
Really?
Yes.
This is serious. If Nkem Derim is the chosen one, then let God be the judge. God will surely do something.
Amen.
It's okay. Let's just go. Let's just go.
Back to
the pressure is
too much.
really.
Don't be in the haste to conclude issues. Don't be in a haste to conclude the matter. If a man number no what Makoto tifeneme nenu Ambarakwaka Ancha.
Nah, this thing is getting out of hand. And from all indication, it's beginning to affect our daughter's happiness. I suggest we allow her to go to the convent. Madam Ro.
What are you saying, Oloma? That I should allow my first daughter become a reverend sister? Who does that kind of thing? Certainly not me.
Nah, we have some too. We have some too. She too will get married and bear children. It's not the same thing. Let us allow her to follow the missionaries. Oh, come on.
It seems to me like you don't want to go for child visitation in 2 places. Come to think of it, what about those who gave birth to 5 girls and all of them got married? What about them?
Nah, Magnina Manuti. It's a matter of choice.
In that case, Oloma, I disagree with you. My daughter must get married, and to a responsible man too.
What are you saying? Eh? Don't you know that the villagers will talk? No first daughter of this family becomes a reverend sister. They all get married.
And Kemdelim does not want to get married. Are we going to kill her? Or are we going to expunge her from this family?
Mama, don't worry. I don't know why you are bothering yourself. She will give up.
When?
She will give up.
No, when? When all these men clustering around her are all gone? Or when the missionary has said, go back, we're no longer interested in sponsoring you?
Mama, the truth is, this your suggestion will not work. Do you know why? My father that I know and uncle will not accept it. So don't just bother yourself. It won't work. You'll just be trying. It won't work.
Chisom,
Papa.
you mean Uloma said this?
Of course. I was surprised when she said that to me.
No. This will not happen at all. It will not. It will be a shameful thing if that family breaks the norm of this family that has been in existence before we all giving birth to.
Papa, I did not support it at all. And I know my uncle will not support it either. So, Papa, don't bother yourself. Don't bother yourself.
I pray so. Because Eloka, my brother that I know, easily get convinced when it has to do with his wife.
Papa, don't bother yourself. Don't worry. He won't do that to us. Don't worry.
What nonsense. It won't happen.
It will not, though.
Mama, something has been bothering me.
My daughter, what is it?
Mama, are you sure that girl in Kem is normal?
My dear, I wonder. Nobody has been able to do anything about her issues. Even her father, who is a retired principal, has not been able to do anything about it. I wonder.
But Mama, what if they take her to a very powerful Dibia? I am very sure they will have a solution to her problems.
Please keep quiet. Let's go before you start suggesting the impossible. Talkative.
I know what I'm saying.
Chisom! 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 Chisom!
I've been calling you now since you don't want to answer me.
Sorry, my mind was not there. Good day, Ekene.
Good day, why? So tell me, is there any positive reply from my Kendall?
Nah, Ekene, why you disturbing over my sister? Eh? If you want her, go and meet her now. Why you disturbing my life?
I've met her now. I've met her severally. She keep on rejecting the ring.
If she rejects you, then move on. Ah!
So, listen, what you want to tell me? After collecting money from me. Hey,
Ekene,
so why are
that
you like
money
this now?
was not enough.
But the money was not enough.
Ah, don't you know? If you still want her, bring more money and add to that money. Please, Apumaka, don't disturb my life. Please, I'm sorry, I'm going to.
Sister, come now, come now. Oh yeah, come. Let me add more money to you.
Sonto, how are you?
Wait, Sonto, who brought those foodstuff inside and the bag of rice?
Ha, sister, is a good news, oh.
Good news? What good news?
Sister, Brother Dubem bought those items.
Wait, and you people accepted it, Abi?
We. Mama and Papa accepted it too, not me.
Why are you all doing this? Why is all this thing happening at the same time? Why?
I don't understand. Is it me that accepted the gift? You should blame Mama and Papa now, not me.
Wait, why are you sounding like this? So you're in support of them, Abi? Eh?
Well, it's not bad.
Nobody should just get me angry in this house. So I've just told you, nobody should get me angry in this house. Dubem should just come and carry all this nonsense. He should come and carry it though.
Sister, you should blame Mama and Papa now. Blame them, not me. Ah. You must accept them.
Are you sure she'll collect that gift?
Why not? Why won't she take it?
I pray so. Because the way that girl behaves sometimes baffles me.
What do you mean? I mean, explain to me better. You know, you're a woman.
God, I said nothing. You know yet from my mouth that I said so.
Nothing, no. Nothing. Are you indirectly calling her a witch or an obanje?
I did not say that.
No, you're a woman. You should tell me better.
Brother Biko, leave me. I did not say anything.
Okay, you don't say anything. Me, I want an explanation. Okay, I'm talking to you for another guy to like you and all that. Just, okay, explain as your brother.
The way that girl reasons sometimes is somehow. What's going on, Nancy?
Guess what? She's the one calling.
Beautiful girl, I wanna every man's a choice, I must marry her, whether she like him or not.
I was on my way to your house. Thank God I met you here. I want to beg you with anything you believe in. Stop bringing gifts to my parents. I am begging you. Why are you laughing?
You're very funny now. So what are you going to do if I do not stop bringing gifts to your parents?
You just have to stop because I am not in any relationship with you. I am not your fiancé, so stop it.
That is because you have refused to be my fiancé. You rejected my proposal. So is it my fault? Everything is in your hands. Accept my proposal and we are happy.
Dubem, I am warning you for the last time. Stop coming to my house. Stop it. Anything I see you bring to my house again, I will destroy it.
Do you know you're
Try
beautiful?
me.
Do you know you're beautiful? Wow. Hey! Can you imagine the creation of God? Hey, I have seen a woman. I have seen a woman. Amara.
Okay.
Amara. Your instincts were right.
She did not accept the gift.
She rejected it. She refused to collect them.
Brother, can you forget about her?
It's difficult. I cannot forget her. Honestly, as my sister, I'm telling you the truth. I am falling in love with that girl. In short, I am madly in love with her.
The way I'm seeing that girl, she doesn't have single passion or love for any man. So please forget about her. Afiaka.
Amara, you see, as my sister, you have to help me in this. I swear to God. You have to support me in this, Biko, please.
I'm doing that.
I'm afraid. You know why? You needed to see the anger on her face. I was scared. But you know what?
What?
I need your support in this because I need to get to the root of this matter. I need to.
Let me go.
Papa, I don't understand.
Understand what?
That Nkendelim is taken.
Of course she is taken because another man has paid her bride price.
So such thing happened and nobody informed the elders. How is it possible?
How do you know? Talk about yourself. The elders were there. Flesh and blood.
Then how come people are not talking about it in this community? Nkendelim is well known in this village. At least one person is supposed to be talking about it. Papa, don't believe what you are telling me.
Ekene, you better go home and rest. Stop interrogating me here. You are not a policeman. Are you?
Papa, are you going inside?
I am coming outside.
Don't be in the race to conclude issues. Don't be in the race to conclude the matter. If a man
Ekene, this is not you I'm talking to. Ekene, what is wrong with you? Look at him. I don't even have your time. Who cares?
Blessed is the Lamb of God, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come.
Mama, why are you doing this? How long will you continue to fight your own family?
Mama, I am not fighting my own family. Rather, my family does not want my happiness.
I want your happiness. We all want your happiness. Marry Dubem. He is a good man.
Mama.
He will take care of you and make you very happy.
Mama, see, I'm in a very good mood. I don't want you to spoil my mood today. Biko, Biko.
I don't want to spoil your mood. Oh, Mom, I am your mother. You know me very well. I can never deceive you.
Mama, I told you I want to be a reverend sister. I don't have feeling for any man. I want to be a reverend sister.
But being a reverend sister, if I were one, would I have had you? You don't have children. It is when you start growing old, you know what I'm talking about.
Mama, I know what I'm saying. I want to be a reverend sister. That is fine now.
Because they are not. Can you carry me? Oh my God. Baby, stop. You. Come here, come here. I love you. Promise me you'll always be there for me. Sure.
You're the best thing about
I want to hear that again.
I mean it.
Come on.
What kind of dream is this? Ekene and Ikemdili playing love. If I take Ikemdili this thing, she will not believe me. Oh, I'm tired.
Wait, Chisom. You said you had a dream when I was playing love play with Ekene. Please.
Sister, this is not funny.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's not.
Please. Nothing can happen between Ekene and I. Nothing.
It might. Never can tell.
Tufiakwa.
Why are you sounding as if Ekene is the worst man on earth? He's a good guy and he can take care of you.
See, he's not the worst man. It's just that marriage is not in my dictionary for now. I told you, I want to be a reverend sister.
Okay. Meanwhile, we have somewhere we're going to tomorrow.
Somewhere. Where?
I'll tell you. Just get prepared.
Okay. Wait. You had a dream.
This why you're walking so fast like this. I hope all is well.
Ekene, you will not believe what I'm about to tell you. Another man is about to snatch your Nkemdilim.
Snatch, you say?
Yes.
How?
Do you know Dubem? The one from Ebelu kindred that just came back from the city. Dubem. You should know him. Dubem.
I know him, that tall guy.
He is coming from Nkemdilim's hand in marriage. And all her family members are in support. Even Chisom said, you are just a common poor village boy. So she prefers Dubem to you.
Hey! So Dubem is the reason everybody turned against me. No wonder her father told me her bride price has been paid. The best. You know what? I'm going to Dubem's house. Are you ready to go with me?
Okay.
Where is that Dubem? Where is it? Dubem, come out here! Dubem, come out if you're a man, come out! I will finish it today, come out! Dubem, come out if you're a man! Come out and fight me! What kind of nonsense is this? Can you imagine? Huh? Dubem!
Ekene! What is the matter? Why are you shouting? What is put on this house?
I will pull it down and nothing will happen. Where is that your stupid brother?
Is it my brother you're calling a stupid man? You must be a madman.
And what will happen if he calls him that? Is he not a foolish man?
Who
Is he not a foolish man?
Who is this one?
Or you think we are scared of him? Because he just came from the city and has little money. Go inside there and bring him outside also.
I can see you both are lunatics. When you are done shouting like madmen, you leave this compound. Nonsense.
So you're walking out of another house, right? Calm your nerves down. I know what to do. Calm your nerves down. I know what to do. Chisom, you're a thief! After collecting all that money from me, you still want to marry my children? Chisom, I'm disappointed in you.
Chinenye, shut up your mouth! How much did you give to me that you're shouting? Eh? You came to do that you're shouting, making noise in my compound. How much did you give to me? Eh? Your mates are giving millions and you're shouting because of your chicken change. See, don't try me.
Chisom, you're talking to me like that?
What happened?
Even when I told you it was my last card, you still went ahead to pick it. Hey! Chisom, don't try me, oh!
Don't shout at me!
Try me, oh!
Don't shout at me! Don't try it!
If not that you're a woman.
What will you do?
I said don't try me, oh!
Is that the reason why you run here like a woman? Tata! Hey! Shouting! Don't try me, oh! See, Ekene, take your sorry self and your stupid friend and get out of this compound. Yes! Hey! I will do something that you regret.
What will you do?
Hey, you're trying me.
Will you put down this house?
Ekene, you want to try me? Wait for me. I will show you why they call me Shison.
You are just an ordinary lady. God.
Okay. I will suggest we leave here.
Yeah, what's the problem? Why do you always fearful?
You know women and their problem. Let's leave this place.
What do you mean? You're supposed to be gingering me up here.
Let's leave here. You know women and their problem.
You don't mean it. I'm telling you. That guy that came here, I was screaming like a madman.
I was so surprised.
He's one of the men looking for Nkemderi's hand in marriage, and she refused.
I was so surprised when he came here yelling like a madman.
Do you know my happiness? The Nkenderim that I know too well can never look at that guy twice. It's not possible.
Exactly. So you're just ranting for nothing.
You know my shock? We are both facing the same problem.
Mama,
so why is he coming here to attack me?
They are both mad people. Leave them. Leave them.
The difference is that I have confidence and he does not have.
Oh, okay, watermelon. Oh,
oh, you came to my house to fight me. I will tell you that I am bigger than you. The woman that is the one to fight me, I mean. You want to fight me, right? You want to fight me? Are you? You want to fight me? You came to my house to fight me. Don't worry. I will show you who I am.
I cannot finish it. I cannot finish it. Whoa. I cannot finish it. I cannot go now. I cannot go now.
Oh. Oya, you, Oya, run! Come on, live! Oh, you're on it too. Today, we will give this fight until everybody will tire.
Hold on, man. I'm not going to do that.
Oh yeah. Hold on what?
Hold on, I'm not going to do this now.
Hey, what the kid? Stay here. Idiot.
So just this short while, I went to go and get something in the market. All this will happen in this compound.
Eh? I even came to look for you. On getting here, I saw them fighting. The truth is, your brother almost killed them. Yes, now.
I swear, the next time I see those guys near this compound, I will not only physically manhandle them, I will call the police authorities to get them arrested and nobody will bring them out. Rubbish.
Oh, brother, please avoid them. Those boys are deadly. Avoid them.
They will be the ones to avoid me. I will not avoid them. In fact, my plans of going back to the city is cancelled until I see the end of this matter. I am going to stay back here in the village to fight for my love. If they try anything funny, I will tell them that I'm bigger than them physically, mentally, traditionally, religiously, financially, in any way, up and down. I will deal with them until they realize that person past person, no be age.
Yes. But I don't like this. I don't like this.
I will stay in this village to fight for love.
Do you even know they came to my house? Yeah? They came to my house shouting in my compound and I drove them out. Yes, as far as I'm concerned, it came delay will never marry him.
Oh God, I don't like all this fighting stuff. I don't like this. Hey, brother, I like coming how. I don't like it.
No, the fight is good. Do you know why? It's a love war. We will fight to finish. Why are you blocking me? Do I know you before? Who are you guys?
Look what.
Let us speak English. 1 or 2.
Guy, I beg, come on, follow for me.
Bros.
I beg, come on, follow.
And the doctors when they talk with you, what did they worry you now? And they even the kind that they talk to you, they do that.
Do I know you? Do I know you?
I don't understand. You don't know me, but today you go know me.
Listen, take your time. Take your time. Get back up.
Wait, okay, come back here and talk. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait.
Oh,
what's happening here? Okay. Say well. Come back here.
Oh, I see where this is coming from. You again, Mr. Loverboy. I want
Go. Hey. See, bros. Not because I say you talk or you gather, can they? Yeah, I mean, can they GK?
Listen, long back. This will be the last warning I'm going to give to you. Stay away from my daughter. Or ex.
They are.
They talk to you, they do power Michael.
What are you waiting for? Do this guy something.
Now what you talk?
Let this guy, man.
Another job.
Oh.
Bring him down.
Finish him for me.
You're very wicked. Please leave me alone.
Break your head.
You are very wicked. Leave me alone. Leave me. Oh, the head, go ahead.
Brother, what is it? Nkem, what happened? What happened to him?
Ekene and his boys beat him up. Unfortunately, I met them on the way, so I decided to bring him back.
Hey, Chineke me.
Don't worry, he'll be fine.
Brother, sorry. Hey, Jesus. They did this to you. Hey, thank you so much.
Okay,
thank you. Brother, Ndo.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
And you don't have to thank me. I had to save your life first. In as much as I don't give you attention, but your life matters, and I am not a bad person. So I have to go, okay? Please take good care of you.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey. Buddha. Buddha. Shoot. Buddha. Buddha, get come. Hey! 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 Buddha, get him. Pick up, Buddha. Hey,
Leave me alone. What did I do?
I will tell you to talk this. Come on, come on for here.
Don't leave me alone. What did I do? You for sure leave
Like,
me.
come on.
Leave me.
Pull up, So this is you, right?
So this is you, Jason? You think you can escape? After eating my money? Chisom?
Boss man.
Come on, boss man. How you dey be now? You dey eat my
Wetin
oga.
one
What do this, babe?
You see, too much caffeine no be full basket.
At all.
This person, to say wise.
You know wise? Yeah, oh. No wise.
Boy, go straight to the point. Tell this girl why we carry her come here.
Listen, let me tell you. You do exactly as I say. Did you hear me?
But allow me chop this girl now. May I chop the money for her?
Just come out, you know we're clear.
You will live with me from this and get married to me. Since you refuse to convince your cousin sister to marry me.
You dey hear am?
Guys, check am now. She not tight.
But she sets now. See how she dey.
You dey use our boss money to the buga, Abi?
You dey Jones my senior man.
Boss man.
You get my Jones my senior man.
Nobody don't know.
Chisom, I'm back, oh. Please get me water to drink. Chisom? 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 Chisom?
How could this girl leave the whole place wide open like this? Eh? And then she left the house without even telling me?
Iked,
Brother,
what do you mean by you have not seen Chisom since you came back?
I have not set my eyes on her. Huh? And the reason why I'm scared right now is because I got to the house, the whole place was left open. How could she leave the house like that?
But, Mama, I saw Chisom this morning. Yes, when she came to buy something.
At where?
Mama Chibuzo's place. But she left immediately. She left immediately, yes.
What's going on? Where could she have gone?
You know what? Let me go and check at Dubem's place. Let me go and check on her.
If that is the case, brother, let me come with you now.
No, it hasn't come to that. I'll be back very soon.
What kind of problem is this? I don't know. How could she leave the house and then this girl?
Dave, you have a case in hand.
Dave, what are you talking about? Chisom is missing. How? How possible is that?
I don't know. I don't know. We even thought that she was here.
Obo, greetings. What is the matter?
Greetings, my daughter.
Chisom is missing.
Missing?
Uncle, this is not ordinary. Something is behind it. We must find the root of this matter. How can Chisom miss in this village? How?
Papa, have you called Nkemu Dilemu? Are you sure she's not with her?
I think you're right. You have a point.
Hey!
At least.
Don't be in the haste to conclude issues. Don't be in the haste to conclude the matter. If a man never know what I really
Hello? Jesus, Chisom, why? What happened? I'm in the church. Chisom is not here with me. She's missing. Okay, I'm coming home right now. I'll be there. Okay.
What is it?
My cousin Chisom is missing. They say she's not at home and she's not here. Sister, please, I need to get to the house, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Please, I really need to go now. Okay.
I brought me to the shop.
She not believe that she go there. You go, come on, relax. Put on her mouth, make she collect small.
You hit my guy money to the buga. Careful. If I mash your face, John.
Don't worry, she don't come.
I said too much cap.
Guys. We need to leave here this minute.
No, that's down.
After waiting up, the news is everywhere that you kidnap Chisom. How? Why who they talk that one? Who they yarn that one? Who they yarn that one? We need to leave here now. Carry her, make we dey go.
Sure, no be fake update.
No. Calm down.
Police!
Hey,
if you move, I'll move you. Let me see your hands up.
Officer.
Let me do that. You move. Let me see your hands behind your head. Move, my friend. Move. You are surrounded.
Officer, I don't follow.
They said me go school, officer.
I only my mama born. Officer.
Blow your hands up. Move. Officer, tire.
Now only me my mama born.
Move, my friend. Or tire.
Now only me my mama born.
My friend, move. I'll blow your hands up. Move.
Thank you so much for saving my sister's life. I really appreciate it.
My dear, you're welcome. It's nothing. It's not a big deal. Now that Ekene is out of the way, can we possibly put efforts to making ourselves better couples?
Wait, excuse me. I came here to thank you, not to accept any marriage proposal. I already told you I'm not interested and I'm not in any relationship with you.
No problem. But if you can give me a good reason other than becoming a reverend sister, I will listen to you. Because I don't know why you hate men so much with so much passion.
Dubem, there is no other reason rather than becoming a reverend sister. I told you this already. Have a good day. Pray.
Women. Papa Slay, I want to thank you for what you did for me. If not for you, I would have been dead today. If not, I persuaded Nkendulem to leave the house. She wouldn't have, come in contact with those boys that wanted to kill me today because they almost suffocated my life.
It's okay. You are like my son. In as much as you are not yet married to my daughter, but you are like a son to me.
Yes, sir. That's why I want to also, sincerely help, because I have found out that what is happening to Kendall rejecting suitors is not ordinary. At least we can do something about it. I am ready to help.
Well, I thought about that as well. But Kendall, my daughter, is very stubborn. Opinion-wise, she's very stubborn. She might not believe me. In fact, she might dismiss it as a mere superstition.
Papa, what I'm going to do is, I have someone, a seer, that is very, very powerful. He's been certified very good. I think it will be better for us to go there to see him so that let us find out exactly what is happening to Nkemdelim. The man is a very strong, powerful seer. I don't know if you can convince her. Yeah, pastors are also good, but let us try this seer because he's been tested and trusted.
It's a good idea if you are sure that the person will reveal everything to us. I don't want to leave any stone unturned.
Papa, I'm almost certain. I'm very sure. Let's go there tomorrow.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's go and see him tomorrow.
It's all right. Great seer of our time. I greet you. My name is Ichie Elokaudinkemmel. I have come here to inquire about a problem that has been giving me sleepless night in my family. My daughter has rejected about 5 suitors. Chukwudubem here is the only one that has stayed behind to fathom the cause of this problem. And that is why he has brought me to you. Thank you.
Ichie. The gods say that what your daughter is going through is not ordinary. It is a very strong spiritual battle and must be curbed before it gets out of hand, which it's already going creator.
Eye of the gods. Could it be that she has an incubus behind it?
Iche, you don't dare speak such English before the eyes of the gods. If you want me to understand what you have to say, you have to come down on your English. You know, you men who went to school are not the same with those of us who work for the gods.
I'm sorry, eyes of the gods. That shouldn't be an impediment. It's only that I thought that the gods could understand every ramification of languages, or at least you yourself could have designed it from your Ouija board. See, what I mean is that, could it be that she has a spiritual husband?
This is more than we thought. There is more to this than meets the eyes. Ichie, a name rings a bell in my ear.
Which name?
The gods. The gods call the name Ifeyinwa. Who is Ifeyinwa? They say you know that name. You alone know that name, Ifeyinwa. The name is a name that is very popular in your lineage.
Yes, but no, it can't be.
That name is a name everybody in your family knows. A name nobody would do without. Ifeyinwa is the name. Who is Ifeyinwa?
No. Ifeyinwa. At least not. No, can't be. Can't be.
Think. Keep thinking. You need to think. You know that name, Ifeyinwa. The gods don't lie. You know that name, Ifeyinwa. She is part of your family. It's a name related to your family. It's a name every old person, including yourself, knows.
Wait, here. The name Ifeyinwa. I mean, it couldn't be the one I'm thinking about, because she was the elder sister of my father, in other words, my paternal auntie, and she died when I was still very small, when I was a young boy.
She is the one. She's the one I'm talking about. Same Ifeyinwa.
I said she's dead.
Yes. Ha!
So what about her?
The gods don't lie indeed. You see,
She is the architect of the problem your daughter is going through now. She is the reason your daughter cannot get married to anybody. No man will marry your daughter. You orchestrated everything.
Did I disrespect you then?
I will show you. She laid a curse on your daughter. In fact, on your family. No first daughter from your loins will ever get married until something is done. I'll show you how it happened. Look here. Look here. Look at this. How it happened.
Are you mad? Come back to my farm. I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? So it has come to a point where I will give you an order in this house and you will disobey me. It's like something is stupid woman. I will kill you in this house today. It seems like you are mad. I will kill you. How dare you? What's wrong with you in this house?
Please, leave me alone. You kill my baby.
Let me kill the baby. Please. Something is wrong with you. Just imagine, all my mates in this village all have sons in their houses. But honestly, be giving me girls everywhere. And I will give you an order. You will not get to eat. Something wrong with you. I will kill you in this house. I will kill you in this house if you don't. Now let me warn you. The next time I give you an order in this house and you disobey me, you see what will happen to you. Useless woman. Let me just go back and go.
My baby. My baby.
I need money to go to the market. I want to buy something to cook.
Listen, I don't have a dime to give to you, so you better leave me alone.
Okay. You cannot say something like this now, eh? The children are hungry. They have not eaten anything since morning. They need to eat. Please.
Listen, woman. I don't have a dime to give to you to go and feed those useless girls. You're expecting me to bring out money from my pockets to go and feed girls that will eventually get married tomorrow and leave my house. And then I'll become an empty man. So if you're expecting me to bring that money and give you, you are wasting your time. So you better leave my sight.
Okay, please. They are your children. Please just give me this money. Let me go and buy something to cook. They have not eaten this money, oh. I'm not even talking about myself. Eh? But about the kids, please. Because
You can sort yourselves out. I don't have money to give you. And I hate repeating myself. Go and sort yourselves out.
Please.
Letting me.
Thank you.
I said don't come and inch close to me. If you touch me, I'll slap you. So don't even try it. She'll give you money to go and feed those useless daughters of yours. I told you, I don't have any money to feed useless girls. Rubbish!
Please. Hey. Please. Hey. 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 Yes. Please now.
If you break my door, by the time I get back, it will be me and you. You must repair this door. Because I know in your father's house, you don't have this kind of door there. So mind yourself. Look at this woman.
Obika, open this door. I want to go back to my people before you kill me here.
Yes.
Open the door.
I locked the door deliberately because I don't want you to go back to your people. So you will remain in that house until I get back. That is what I said.
Obika, open this door. I want to go back to my people. No, my treatment is too much before you kill me here.
If you like break my door, you will remain in that house till whenever I choose to return. So good day.
Open this. I want to go back to my people. Your my treatment is too much for me. Let me go before you kill me. Open this door.
No.
Open the door. Obika.
Junior, come. So this is what the both of you left inside the house all the way to this place to come and ask me stupid questions. Now listen, the offense your mother committed is that she has refused to give birth to a baby boy for me. Yes, and upon that, I will keep on doing more to her. Nonsense.
But she's pregnant. That means she might give birth to a baby boy tomorrow.
What the man? That's good. Come, I don't know, you are distracting me. Carry your sister back inside the house and leave me alone. Didn't you hear me? You're just looking at me like a shield. Come on, get out from my side. Get out from this place. Nonsense. How am I sure that you people are even my daughters? Because we are black and fair. Your mother is fair. So when I'm ready, she will not tell me where she got the both of you from. Because I doubt you are my original daughters. Coming to ask what your mother did. You didn't know what she did. Or what she did not. Nonsense.
Obika, please take me to the health center. My baby and I need some medical attention, please.
Come, woman. What is the meaning of this drama you're trying to display here? I should leave what I'm doing and carry you to the health center because you don't have legs. Is that it? When you're ready, you will go to the health center yourself. You have started. You have started.
Obika, please. I will die if you do not take me to the health center, please. I will die, please.
If you want to die, I don't know what you're waiting for. You start dying now. Or you want me to help you so that you join your ancestors now. Not for what? Not I'm in a good mood. You would have seen something now. You want to die. You start dying now because you have no importance to me. You die, I bury you and look for a beautiful wife to get married that will give me sons. Not these useless things that are here that you call children. Now listen. This compound is even untidy. So before I go out and come back, you must have cleaned this compound. You want to die. And listen to me again. I know if I go out now, you will try to run back to your father's house. But try it. I will go back to your father and your Umunna and tell them that you cheated on me. And you know how grievous that allegation is. So just try it. Stupid. Oh, let me come back and this compound is just
Obika, you are wicked. I hate you. I cursed the day I met you. You are wicked. Obika, you are a beast. I hate you, Obika. I hate you. Obika, for this pain and sorrow you caused me, you will suffer. You will know no peace. Joy and happiness shall depart from you. Obika, you took away my virginity and I loved you. I rejected all my suitors just to get married to you. And you decided to maltreat me till death. For this pain you've caused me, I curse you, Obika. In my next word, I will never, ever get married to any man. No man shall win my heart. I will never get married. You will suffer, Obika. Pain shall never depart from you, Obika. You will suffer. You will not die a good death, Obika. It shall never be well with you.
Mommy, please wake. Mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up.
Mommy, wake up. Please wake up.
Mommy, wake up, please. Wake up.
Come here. Somebody help me. I need water. Water. Help me, somebody. I need water. I need water. I need water. I need water. Is anybody around? Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
That is it. That is exactly what happened. Ifeyinwa reincarnated as your daughter. She came into this world because she was pained as a result of what that wicked man did to her in her first world. And now she has to live again. And the only person she thought it wise to come in as is your daughter Nkemdelim.
So Auntie Ifeyinwa reincarnated as my daughter Nkemdelim without me knowing it all these years. Hi. But did I offend you, Auntie Ifeyinwa?
What are we going to do to get this problem solved once and for all?
What do we do?
Good question. Very good question.
There is nothing too hard for the gods to do. It is simple. It is simple.
The God says that the spirit of Ifeyinwa has to be separated from the first world, and this for your daughter to be free. And for this to happen, there has to be a purification on your daughter. A very strong purification, so that her spirit can rest on. And then your daughter will be free afterwards.
So, great seer, if we carry out this purification, will Ifeyinwa, my daughter, stop all her misbehavior and then decide to marry?
So says the gods. She will be free. She will get married like every other woman once the purification is done. So go home. Bring your daughter here. She has to be brought here for the purification. You have to do that as soon as possible.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh. For it is done.
Thank you.
It shall be done.
Go and do what I've said, and your problem shall be solved.
Don't be in the race to conclude issues. Don't be in the
Like someone told him about your family, what you understand, So, Papa, I've been thinking, how are we going to convince Nkandelem to follow us to see the seer so that she can hear by herself directly from the seer what the problem is?
But that's a problem now. I don't think she can accept to come with us if she doesn't know where we are taking her to.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, Uncle. Please, you have to try very seriously to convince her to follow us. You know, Nkendelem is a very opinionated individual. She's intelligent and she does not accept what she does not believe in.
Well, this is taking us back to the Latin adage which says solvitur ambulando, which means the problem can only be solved by practical experiment. I will try, but let us get home first.
Bam. Practical experiment.
Yeah.
Practical experiment.
Solvitur ambulando.
Uncle, please, solvitur ambulando this situation, please.
Let's finish first. I will teach you. Let's finish the work at hand.
Wow. I never knew reincarnation still exists and it's real.
My dear, it is very real. According to the seer, he said that the father's auntie, Ifeyinwa, reincarnated in Nkendelem, and the husband. So the way they treated them was while this whole thing is happening the way it's happening.
This is so unbelievable. But wait, too. Have you people informed my sister?
Well, you know, your sister is a very strong-willed individual. She would definitely say that is fallacy and barbaric. She won't believe it because of her Christian faith.
So how do we convince her to go and meet the seer for purification?
Well, it's left for Papa to do that. Papa is the one that is going to do that.
Hey, I'm so in shock. This is so surprising.
See, I am not going anywhere, Papa, until you tell me where you're taking me to. I'm not going anywhere.
Sometimes this your daughter sounds very funny. Eh? Am I going to kill you? Are you no longer my daughter? Ha!
I'm not saying you're going to kill me, but I need to know where you're taking me to before I'll follow you.
Are you mad? Can you shut that your stupid mouth? I'm not going to say Maggie. Okay, you must follow him. I am your mother. I'm instructing you. In fact, ordering you to follow your father. This man is your father. Will he harm you?
Mama, I'm not a child. I know Dubem is behind all this. And he has convinced Papa to take me to a place I don't know. I'm not going anywhere.
Please, don't involve Dubem in this matter. Leave that young man alone.
Papa, see, I am going to confront Dubem now. And I know he will tell me the truth. I am going there.
Why don't you stop her? I don't want Dubem to begin to see her as a troublemaker.
Stop who? Let her go and confront Dubem now. But I am very sure, if it is this Dubem I know, he is going to hide everything from her. You will hear it. Let her go and come.
Are you sure?
All right. Wazir is not a small boy in house and land.
Wow. This is amazing. What is the Queen of Dubem doing in my accommodation?
Enough of this nonsense, Dubem. I am sure you convinced my father to take me to an unknown destination for your own selfish interest. Why will you do that?
Sorry, darling. What are you talking about?
Oh, so you don't even know what I'm talking about. Why are you pretending?
Okay, listen. Honestly, I did what I did for your own good.
Oh.
I suggest you listen to what Papa said.
Dubem, how many times did I call you? Please, Biko, stay away from my family matter. Stay away from my personal life. Please, you're nobody to me, so let it remain like that.
Wow. Absolutely amazing. Baby, you are beautiful. You know what? You look absolutely amazing. So beautiful when you get angry. But for now, you are in front of my house. Please, just calm me down. Don't get angry, please.
I beg you, beautiful.
Please get out. Stay away from my family matter. Stay away from my personal life. Did you hear me?
You know I love you.
Love who?
I
Will you get out?
continuously love you. Wow. Lekwe ife mama molo. Baby, shake it for me. Don't break it. It took your mama 9 months to make it. Wow. This is beautiful. I must be new in town. Ooh. Nkem.
Nkem,
Mama.
why don't you listen to your father and follow him to go see that man he told you about?
Wait, Mama, which man? He never mentioned any man to me. So why will I follow him?
Whether he mentioned the man to you or not, follow him to the place. Your father means well for you.
Okay, Mama. Since you know the place, why not tell me about it instead of advising me to follow him?
He refused to tell me the place as well.
Hey, Mama, Biko. See, I don't believe you. Papa that I know will not make any move without letting you know. I know Papa very well. I know you support him. You know he's very cunning. Maybe he wants to bundle me to one man like that and drop me there all in the name of marriage. Mba, I will not go.
Follow him to the place. I know your father too well. He won't do a thing like that. He's soliciting for you to follow him on your free will. He's not bundling you to any man. So this way you're sounding now. Are you saying you're not going to that place with him?
Exactly, Mama. I am not going anywhere till I know the place first. Let me know the place. How can you carry me to where I don't know?
See that place your father is talking about? You must go there.
No,
whether you like it or not. You must go there.
I'm not going anywhere.
Just try me. Let me see why you not go there.
Can you take me to a place I don't even know? Okay, explain to me, Mumba. I'm not going anywhere. Maga.
Ifeyinwa, I call on you. I call on you today. Whatever your daughter has done to you, we plead that you have mercy on her. Forgive her. Do not let the sin of another rob on another. I beg you today, please, let her go. Forgive her. For she is only but a child. Let go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. For yielding to my It is done. It is done. Ichie!
Eyes of the gods.
Your daughter is free. She is free to enjoy her life. From today, she shall get married to any man of her choice. Ifeyinwa has just forgiven her. She is free now to get married and have for you grandchildren.
I'm happy.
Take her home. She's free.
Thank you, great seer.
Take her home.
Thank you, thank you.
You may go. It is done.
Come, my daughter.
Dubim, thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. You're welcome, my dear. You see, love conquers everything in this world. It was because of the love that I have for you that made me to go that far distance to look for the solution of this dilemma. And thank God that you are now free.
Thank you.
Thank you. I want to please ask you something honestly. I want to...
Okay.
Okay. Please, I beg you, will you marry me? Will you be my wife? See, it will gladden my heart for you to be the mother of my unborn children. I promise I will not disappoint you. I swear I'll make you happy all the rest of your life, please. It will...
Yes, I will marry you.
You will marry me?
Yes.
Oh, God.
I love you.
I love you more. I love you more.
Ah. I love you too. Thank you for everything.
My wife and I, we are very happy that all these problems are over and everything are settled. So both of you can go ahead and get married and live together happily ever after.
Thank you.
And now, having given you our blessings, if you have any response to make, the ball is very much on your court.
Thank you very much, Papa.
Thank you, my son.
Not only a response, I have responses to make because my heart is so gladdened by your perseverance and your support. You know, and for your pressure, because you really pressurized her for this marriage to happen. You have just said it all. There's nothing again that I have to say than to say thank you. And I promise that I'm going to take good care of her. I am going to love her. I am going to cherish her. I have also I've respected her. I will keep respecting her. Yes. What will happen now is we'll have to leave you now in your own house whilst we'll go and plan our wedding.
Just one more thing. We will not fail to be appreciative of the fact that you led us to the solution to that marriage imbroglio. It is a kind of quid pro quo, give and take, in that you brought the solution and then we did our part.
Papa can't say it. Go. Let me take you people. Oh, beautiful picture. And let me also take myself. Selfie.